Don't miss out on your opportunity to own in the golf cart-friendly, 55-plus community of Lake Francis's Estates. This 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home has updated flooring throughout and a large, carpeted Florida room. A separate oversized laundry room off of the carport screen porch area. The backyard is fully fenced with chain link fencing. There is ample storage with the 2 storage sheds. The community itself boasts a large, well-maintained clubhouse complete with a kitchen, billiard room, card tables, and an indoor pool. Outside of the clubhouse you will find a large outdoor pool, spacious dock, shuffleboard courts, and access to Lake Francis. There is a regular schedule of events that occur at the clubhouse, so you'll have plenty of opportunities to mingle with neighbors. It's just a short golf cart ride to the heart of Tavares, where you can enjoy all of the downtown restaurants, entertainment, sites, and seaplanes. The City of Tavares hosts several events throughout the year and allows for open containers within certain specifications in the downtown Waterfront Entertainment District area.